I gotta watch myself going down these steps. Yeah. Just wanted to show you some of the ice we still have. We had a bad ice storm. Oh, look at that. That's dead. Oh well. Guess I have to do a new garden this year. Ice everywhere. You hear those dogs barking? My neighbor's dogs. We've had them out there all day in the ice. Because that's how clever they are. Look at the car. I'll just take a shot of the laneway here if I can get through. Julie wants to go to the store today. I told her she's crazy. The only place I'm going is the fridge for a can of beer. But hey, that's just me. Wow. That guy can't get out. Or maybe he's just revving his engine, I'm not sure. Sounded for a second like he couldn't get out. Yep. That's enough of winter.